How to whiten your teeth using the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called photos on the top. Tap on it and select the photos that you want to whiten your teeth in. After choosing the photo, many options will pop up on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the beautify option, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, on the bottom left, you'll see an option called teeth. Simply tap on it, and from here you can brighten your teeth according to your preference. If you want to manually edit, you can choose from the options below. But if you want the Meitu app to update it automatically, simply tap on the auto option right here. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.